Alright guys, in this video I'm going to explain you why it costs a lot to paint the car and repair a car. Some people, what they do, they don't even pull the dents, they literally slam the filler, paint it on top. Sooner or later they'll have probably the paint cracks or reactions or the filler cracks. If you see us, we literally pull the dents, the wing was all in, we pulled it out so it gets a very slight skim of filler, primer and ready to paint. Even when it's to do bumpers, we remove the bumpers. When it's full respray, we literally strip the car, take all the rubbers, take everything off to get it done properly. We use very high quality materials. We also got the spray boots, which cost a lot in gas, electrics and filters. And we use very high quality materials, which let me show you. As you guys can see, we use the Max Mayer hardener with the lacquer, which is very expensive. We use the performance thinners. We got the Devil Bees gun, which everything costs quite a lot. So if you pay cheap, you're gonna get a cheap job. We get people with very high performance cars, with people with Bentleys, etc. And sometimes they argue over £100, but you're forgetting that £100 we can give extra work, we make the car really, really mean. If you pay cheap, you're gonna get cheap. So that's anyway. Some people charge for full respray very cheap. And remember, that's a cheap job because you'll never get the proper job that are supposed to be and the way it should be. Stripping the car, using high materials, and if it's super cars, remember you want to get it done properly, no matter the price, but you rather get it done properly. So that's pretty much, guys. So that's why it costs a lot to repair a car. Especially got to do filler work, we got a panel beating, we're going to paint everything done properly, flattening, polishing with a standard main dealer's job. So it looks, when the car comes out from here, it looks like it came out from main dealer. You cannot tell any mistakes if you pay the right price. So you can get plainly body shops, they do for much cheaper, but that's your choice. So that's pretty much, guys. I'll see you guys on the next video.